How to hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Instagram app. Tap profile icon at bottom right. Make sure to create your personal account to professional account. After that, you will see professional dashboard. Come back to home screen. Head towards chat icon at top right. Now at top you will see different options like primary, general and request section. So in some cases, if you tap and hold a particular chat and swipe towards left, then you will see the trash button. You can tap on it and simply hide those Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. But currently, there is no such option on mine. So what you can do is instead tap and hold particular chat, and here you can easily tap move to general, and this chat will be hidden from your primary section. And then when you tap on general, it will be listed on that page. Again, you can tap on it and then you can select move to primary and hide from the general section as well. In this way, you can easily hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.